Justine Tanya Bateman is an American actress, writer, director, and producer. Her former acting work includes Family Ties, Satisfaction, Men Behaving Badly, The TV Set, Desperate Housewives, and Californication. Her feature film directorial debut, Violet, starring Olivia Munn, Luke Bracey, and Justin Theroux, was due to premiere at the now-cancelled 2020 SXSW Film Festival. Bateman also wrote, directed and produced the film short 5 minutes, premiered at the 2017 Toronto International Film Festival. Bateman was born in Rye, New York, to Victoria Elizabeth, a former flight attendant for Pan Am who was originally from the United Kingdom, and Kent Bateman. She is the older sister of actor Justine Bateman. She attended Taft High School in Woodland Hills, California. However, Bateman could not attend college at the time due to her contractual obligations with Family Ties. Bateman stated that she was informed by the series' line producer Carol Himes, "You're under contract to Paramount Studios." Bateman later earned her computer science and digital media management degree from UCLA in 2016. Bateman's most prominent acting role began when she was a teenager, playing the role of superficial Mallory Keaton on the television sitcom Family Ties in 1982. She continued the role throughout the show's run, which ended in 1989. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.